Hey guys, today, let's learn how to make money online with AI. So if you guys would like to go ahead and make your own money or make a living using the AI or artificial intelligence, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys. So the first step that we actually need to do in order for us to make money with AI is, of course, utilize AI itself. So we could actually go ahead and launch our Safari, guys. And I want you to go ahead and search for ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is one of the most leading AI chat web bots that we could actually use to get some insights, get some content, and generate whatever we want using ChatGPT. Now, as you see over here, we could actually go and ask and send the message to ChatGPT, and we could actually get any information that we want. Now from here, by utilizing this tool, we need to go ahead and select for a specific category. So whether your category to make money is gonna be using ChatGPT to generate some content, you could also go ahead and use AI for your own web design. You could also go ahead and as well create online courses using ChatGPT. And of course, any more, but that is just some of the ways or categories that we can actually choose to create money. So let's say, for example, we want to go ahead and create an online course. You could easily go ahead and just ask ChatGPT to create an online course about a specific subject. So just go ahead and type your subject over here, and it's gonna basically give you a whole online course about that. But in the case that you can't really think about any subject, go ahead and ask ChatGPT as well. So let's say, what are the most in demands online courses? And just tap on send, and it's gonna give you the most on demand online courses. All we need to do is choose one. Let's say we want to go ahead and use digital marketing. So let's say create an online course about digital marketing. Tap on send, and it's gonna create that course for you. As you see right here, this is gonna be a pretty long one, since it is gonna be an online course. But well, ChatGPT does give you everything you need to create your own online course. And that's all for this video, of course. You need to go ahead and just create our own website using this content. You could also go ahead and utilize other tools to do that as well. But that's essentially what you guys need to know, and what you guys are to know to basically start making money with AI. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe, as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.